Hello everyone! Today we're having a look at a set of wireless earphones from QCY. The model name is QS1 and it's got Bluetooth 5 and it comes with a power bank. Now let's see what's included in the box. We got a user manual, which is in English, some extra earbuds in different sizes, a USB cable, the charging dock and the earphones themselves. The extra buds are in different sizes, small, medium and large, so they should fit any size of ears. The charging cable is a standard micro USB, but there's no adapter included, so you'll have to use your own or a computer to charge. This is the charging case, which also functions as a power bank for the earphones. It's got a built-in battery and it will charge the earphones when they're in it. It looks quite good. And on the back is the USB connection. When the earphones are in the case, they will not fall out. As you can see, I can push and pull quite hard without them moving at all. They have to be pushed in the right direction to get them out. Inside here we can see the charging connections. The earphones are very compact indeed. Material is plastic, so it's very light and the quality feels good. On the front is a LED indicator and a button. The rubber buds are comfortable and makes sure the earphones stay safely in the ear while wearing them. This little hole here is the microphone. The sound is clear and I asked some people about the call quality, and they said it's clear and good. In fact, they didn't even notice I was using earphones. On the back is the charging connection. Battery should last about 4 hours of playing music, etc. Standby is set to 120 hours. The earphones and dock are actually magnetic, so if you take one and hold it near the opening, it will pop into place by itself. They sit there securely and are not going to fall out by themselves. I tried shaking it quite hard, but they're not moving at all. To remove them, all you need to do is push in the direction of the opening on the side, and they will slide out. Just push like that, and it's out. See how strong the magnet is. Charging the power bank is done by using the USB cable. It can connect to any USB adapter or a laptop. On the back are two LED indicators, which will blink when it's fully charged. You don't have to keep the earphones in the power bank while charging it, so you can take them out if you want to use them, and the power bank will continue charging. The earphones will charge whenever they are in the power bank, and the LED light will light up with a red color while charging. When the charge is complete, the light will turn white, and after about 60 seconds they will go off. The extra battery adds about 20 hours of extra playtime to the headphones. So we have a total of maximum 24 hours of playtime before we need to charge the bank. Pairing with the phone or laptop is very easy. Just put them back in so they will connect to each other. Then take them back out. The right earphone will start blinking, indicating that it's ready to pair. Now we need to take the phone and turn on Bluetooth. It will show up as QCY QS1 R. Select it and wait for the earphone to confirm. The light will go off and we are connected. We can also control media by using the buttons. Let's start up SoundCloud, open SoundCloud, and play some music. To play, just push the button once. As you can hear, it's playing. To pause, just click it again. This works on both earphones. To switch to the next track, we push the button on the right earphone twice. To go back, we push the left earphone twice. If you hold the button for 1 second, it will start Google Assistant, or Siri if you're using iOS. What is 5 plus 2? Tell me a joke.
Okay, here you go. How do bureaucrats run prisons? With lots of red tape.
As you can see here, they're very compact and hardly sticks out of the ears. They are comfortable and the rubber isolates the surrounding sound very well. The sound quality is also good and the bass is surprisingly deep. Thank you for watching and remember to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day.